We are heading to the southwestern part of Norway to find the Sognefjellet Road, National Road 55, connecting the municipality of Lom with Gaupne on the Sognefjord. This route covers 140 kilometers and crosses Northern Europe's highest mountain pass. The route starts in Lom, a village recognized for the Lom Stave Church, constructed in the 12th century. The initial section involves a steady ascent through the Bøverdalen Valley. The first 30 to 40 kilometers consist of a wide, relatively easy road. It follows the Bøvra River, passing through agricultural terrain and traditional settlements. Beyond Bøverdalen, the environment transitions rapidly. The road leaves the treeline and begins the primary climb into the Alpine zone, reaching altitudes near 1,400 meters. This section involves a high grade. The road becomes narrow and steep, featuring several hairpin turns. At the summit, the route traverses the Sognefjellet Plateau, a landscape characterized by exposed rock, permanent snowfields, and views of surrounding glaciers. On the plateau, the road temporarily levels out. It remains narrow but offers long lines of sight across the terrain. Stop at Mefjellet, where an artistic installation marks the location and frames the view of the mountain ranges. From the pass, the route begins a lengthy descent. An alternate detour is the Tindevegen. Continuing on the main RV 55, the descent proceeds into the Bøverdalen Valley. This final stage provides views of the Sognefjord, an arm of the Sognefjord. It is stretching over 200 kilometers inland and plunging to a maximum depth of 1,300 meters. The route concludes at Gaupne, located on the Sognefjord. The Sognefjellet Road is typically closed during the winter months due to heavy snow. Travelers should confirm seasonal opening dates prior to planning the journey. And there you have it, the majestic Sognefjellet Road in wonderful Norway. Ride safe.